Hey guys, it's Tamara from Lacquer Lockdown, and I have another nail art tutorial for you guys. This one is going to be probably one of the last summery looks that I do before I start putting up some more fallish and Halloween nail art tutorials. I'm starting off as usual with my peel off base coat as the base, and then I'm going to be going in with a nude polish to set up for this very bright neon. This is Essie's San Tropez, which is my favorite nude polish cream in the entire world. It just always works really well. It self layers, it self levels, and so it's super even, and it's usually opaque in 2 coats, and sometimes sneakily I can get away with 1 coat, especially if I'm layering like what I'm doing here. It's usually opaque enough that I can put down 1 coat, and that is enough to get the job done. So I'm gonna be coming in now with this super bright saturated neon. This is Orly's colored amp, and I found this at like Bed Bath & Beyond. It's the color LA Selfie, and as you can see, it is super bright, super opaque. I actually have never ever found neon polishes as bright or sort of like punchy as these Orly color amp polishes. But what's weird is I also have only ever found them in about 4 or 5 shades, and only at Bed Bath & Beyond. So if anybody knows where I can find more, let me know, because I love them so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and top coat that with my Posh Ultra Fast Drying top coat. You guys know that's my favorite fast drying top coat. And I don't know if you noticed it, but did you see that I literally put down only 1 coat of that neon polish, 1 coat of the Essie, and look how bright and punchy it is. This is just such a good polish. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my latex free nail barriers because I'm gonna be doing stamping clearly, and I just don't want to make a mess. This is MoYou London's Pro Plate. It's one of the XLs. The number will be below. I think it's Pro XL 27, but again, it'll be below. That was MoYou de Unis in white, and the stamper is the Blitzkiss see-through stamper. So what I'm going to do is stamp down once with the MoYou de Unis white one time, and sort of make sure. I was really careful with the placement because I want to make sure that I have it exactly right. Now I'm going to come in again with MoYou de Unis in black, same plate, I just cleaned it off, and same clear see-through stamper, clear jelly stamper. And I'm just going to be really careful about lining up, because what I want to do is have this sort of lightly overlap, so you see the popping of the white and the black stamping all together. It's going to end up looking really funky and really cool, but only if I get it lined up just right, and I managed to do it perfectly. So this makes me pretty happy. And look how cool that is. Isn't that so awesome? It's very graphic. I love this so much. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top coat down first. This is Posh Ultra Fast Drying top coat. I would definitely recommend that you do that before you take the latex barrier off. Otherwise, you pull up the circles too, and then it kind of messes up the mani. This is a much better way to do it. And then you can go in and just clean up any little extra nail polish around the edge. This brush I'm using is the Pure Color number 4 brush. I got this from What's Up Nails, I think. Yeah, and I actually really love this cleanup brush. It's my new favorite. So I need to get a couple backups, but once you get it all cleaned up, you are left with this awesome, super cool saturated nail art. Looks great, super simple. I hope you guys like it. Last look of the summer. Thanks so much for watching, and definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna have some more videos coming. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this. I will see you next time, and have a great day. All right, bye.